Hero, what's good, cryptocurrency fans out there? Welcome back to the Everything Altcoin channel. Today, we're gonna be doing a video that we normally don't really do on this type of on my channel. We're just gonna talk about the markets because things was just crazy for this past weekend. Some people don't know whether we're still in a bull market or did we just go into a bear market. And I wanted to talk to you guys what you should have learned during this time because things got real. We was all happy. I do believe that things will still, things are still good. We're gonna go back up. It's just gonna take a little bit more time now. We had to shake out the weak hands and all of that. But before we get into talking about that, I would like to ask you guys to subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. We're on the road to 10K subscribers, so if you guys would like to help out with that, hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video, comment anything in the comment section down below, and most importantly, hit that bell button to get notified every time I upload a new video. And lastly, check out the description for the Discord and the Patreon, and let's get right into it, guys. So this last entire week was just crazy, and going into the weekend was just even the worst. I know some people's portfolio went down at least over 50%, possibly closer to 80%. Some portfolios is just wrecked. I got wrecked, but I did take profits going up along the way, which was kind of helpful. But I actually did deploy a bunch of that profit when we had the previous dip. All right, we had a little previous dip. I deployed a lot of it. Then this last dip here Sunday, I just deployed the rest. But what I've learned from this whole time is when you start to see regular people that's not really talking about crypto, it's not really even investing in crypto, and they start asking you questions about this, that, and the third, and then Dogecoin is doing this, the Dogecoin meme, that should have let us know that we definitely close to the top where people are basically gambling on these meme coins. Dogecoin was just basically the leader. And I've told a lot of people in my Discord I'm not touching Dogecoin at all. Basically because first, if you look at the 1 year chart, Doge has just been on a crazy run up. And for it to even get to 10 cents was just crazy for me. And it just keeps going. And then now you got people thinking, $1, Doge to the moon, Shiba this, Shiba that. What is it? Doge, BTC, what is it like? Tron Doge. They had all these type of meme coins on different blockchains, and I was just not having it. I knew we was around the top once. You got too many people taking gambles on these little meme coins that really do nothing, and then they're going to be the ones that sell out quick once the market goes down on a downturn. And as you guys can see here, the people that got in probably flipped their money from Dogecoin into other altcoins, have like basically sold out of a lot of things, right? And during this time, we was even getting good news about Kusama parachain, which everybody was waiting for. Everybody was so happy for the Kusama parachains. It's finally now the DOT ecosystem is going to start running. It's going to start doing work. We see this get to like a good all-time high of $621, guys. And that was just 6 days ago, and it cannot maintain that because the market volatility and what was going on with the market. So of course this took a dump. It took a lesser of a dump than other coins because people knew what was going on with Kusama, but it still ended up taking a big dump where it even got to the low of 200. Well, when I woke up one time, I think I seen it like at $218, and that was as low as I seen it like from December to January, to be honest with you. And that right there, I scooped up just a little bit around the 218 mark. And as you guys can see, it's going back up because parachains is coming within the end of the month to like the beginning of June. And once that works out, you can even look into Polkadot. Polkadot would end up doing the same thing. So Kusama has a strong fundamental background, right? So at this point in time, this is the time where you need to look into coins where they have strong fundamentals, a huge community. Whether you want to look at the bigger caps, because if you're trading Bitcoin, you're essentially now trading the whole market, because now the Bitcoin dominance is going up, so everybody's going to be watching Bitcoin the most. But this can also be a perfect time for you to slide into some some altcoins, not mid-cap altcoins. If you want to take a bigger, riskier bet, you can definitely get yourself into some low market cap altcoins. They have been hit hard. Let me even go look at a few that I was even looking at, right? So DFYN was one of those coins that was a low market cap gem that everyone was starting to understand. It's starting to look good. It's building it's building on layer 2. It's on Matic. Everybody's getting hyped. As you guys can see, this has recovered perfectly. This was one of those fundamentally perfect coins that's a low market cap, right? That if you even bought at the 24-hour low, as you guys can see, the 24-hour low was 72 cents. That's how bad the market got hit. That a coin like this got all the way down to 72 cents, and people have brought up the dip. And from there on, as you guys can see, they made an easy 2.5x gain to $2.63, guys. That's the power of being able to understand which coins are actually fundamentally great in this market, and that going to have a lot of people talking about it. And this was one of those. I scaled in on, like, I brought in at like 150 something. I brought it in then, and when it got to 72 cents, I didn't feel like buying even more of this. To be honest, I should have bought more, because I feel like that's what everyone's always going to think about when they're in this market sentiment. Some coins that perform better than other coins, they're gonna wish that they have bought more of that certain coin. At this point, when I seen it at 72 cents, I didn't know. I was just like, I've already bought some more. I bought my average down a lot from this, and I decided to buy Rota Protocol, decided to buy more Kusama, things like that, P Node. But this was a great performer, and it's up 139% just in 24 hours. So that lets you know if the market actually, stabilizes and do well, even some of the low market cap gems that are fundamentally strong will actually explode in price with the market just stabilizing. And DFYN is just a perfect example of that, because this is one of those coins that is just so strong, and a lot of people backing it right now, that it can possibly even recover faster than a lot more other coins, especially because it's a low market cap. But that's just one of the prime examples. And another example of another coin that's not even bouncing up, Pogo Foundry is an example of a coin that is fundamentally great, but does not have the huge community behind it that's actually pushing it up this far. As you guys can see, like, 24-hour low was just 37 cents, and it got up to the 24-hour high of 49, which it could keep going up a little bit higher, but the volume is just not there. Not enough people are interested in this. This is one of those coins that is strong fundamentally, but just does not have a huge community behind it to actually pump up the price, as you see with DFYN, because this has a lot going for it, especially in the Polkadot ecosystem, but not a lot of people know about it. So this could be one of those coins that you could wait and possibly buy later on, once you see that the volume, at least once the volume goes up a little higher, then a lot more people are interested in it. But as of right now, this could just be one of those coins that's going to be stagnant for a little bit, take a little bit of time to actually work up. So in this market sentiment, you should always look for the coins that you have the strongest conviction in. Whether it's the bigger caps, the high, you got your Kusama, your Polkadot, your Cardano, all of those, you can stack up on them now, because some of them has retraced so far back to like December, January prices, that just getting in now, you're actually set at a good price, especially if the market, stabilizes and move up. Mid caps, you definitely got in a great price. Now, the riskiest thing is for you to try to get into the low market cap coins, because any downturn with the market, it could destroy the coin even further down, right? They're highly risky, but like I said, they have some huge rewards, especially if you could find the fundamentally strong ones with a big community behind it. And once it starts to run up again, you'll be set. And I just showed you a perfect example of DFYN. A lot of people still love it, and a lot of people are still investing in it, and that's why you've seen that huge bounce up easy from around 70 cents to $2.39 or something like that, right? That was a quick bounce. That's just because the community behind it, everyone's still holding on to it. So let me know what you guys have learned in this market sentiment. Have you taken profits and brought the dip over the weekend? If you haven't, this is a lesson that you should learn, that once we get this new leg up, always try to take profits. Take as much profits as you can, because you never know what's going to happen in this market. It's so speculative. Any bad news could just hit this market and then make it turn bad for the worse, right? But let me know what you guys think. Leave your thoughts in the comment section down below, and if you guys haven't subscribed already yet, please do so. We're on the road to 10K subscribers, so if you guys would like to help out with that, hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video, comment anything in the comment section down below, and most importantly, hit that bell button to get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll show you guys later. Peace, YouTube.